It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, external memory control, push button start, driver memory seats, and power heated mirrors. This from Cars.com. Small in size, but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,